Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me today is Roger Mason. He's the managing director at Antipa Minerals. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is AZY on the ASX, and Antipa Minerals will be presenting the upcoming Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek, happening September 13 through 16, 2022. For more information, please visit precioussummit.com. And with that, Roger, thank you for joining me today. How are you doing?
Yeah, good, Robert. Yeah, thanks for hosting the session.
Absolutely. So we actually did an interview with management about a year ago, but before we get into all those updates, can you start us off with that quick overview of Antipa Minerals?
Yeah, sure. As mentioned, we're an ASX listed junior exploration company, Robert. Our market cap's around 100 million Australian dollars. We have a very large exploration portfolio. It's about 30% bigger than the state of Rhode Island, and it's up in northwest Western Australia. It's primarily a gold and copper focused portfolio. We have it subdivided into 4 separate projects. 3 of those are partnered by major miners, including Rio Tinto, Newcrest and IGO. And then we have our 100% flagship project, which is really the focus of what the company is doing.
Very good. So last time we did an interview with management, we published that on September 7, 2021. So can we get that update? What would you say are some of the company's highlights in the last 12 months?
Well, at that stage, we would have been talking to a big drill program we were completing. That culminated in a massive resource increase in May of this year. The resource at our 100% project went up 250%. And that formed the foundation for a scoping study evaluation, which we released just last week, Robert, on the 31st of August. And that's really painted the picture for the way forward.
Very good. And then to close us out here today, from what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the company's near-term value catalysts that you want folks to pay attention to?
So that scoping study that I referred to on our 100% ground, it's indicated a technically robust and commercially attractive development opportunity. It's pointed to a standalone gold production opportunity, good scale, about a 1.1 million ounce mining inventory at a good grade of 1.6 grams per ton gold. There's some silver that comes along as well. Good economic credentials, almost $400 million NPV pre-tax, and a healthy IRR at 34%. So that's really driving the company now. We've approved a pre-feasibility study, which we've started, but we also see significant growth opportunities for that particular project. And the project itself is very much leveraged to increasing the project life by increasing the resource. So we've actually got a significant drilling program in play at the moment. That's looking to extend the project by 2 or more years. It's already a 7+ year mine life. And that program really will set the scene for the scale of the pre-feasibility study. The other thing that's happening up there, or at least is to be considered, is that we're only 35 kilometres from Newcrest Telfer processing facility, which has a huge capacity, 22 million tonnes per annum, running very low on ore in the next couple of years. So there's also, other third-party options that the board will consider that might add significant value to the project as well. More broadly, on the other 3 projects, the JV with Rio Tinto and the 2 farm-ins, which were free carried on, serious amounts of greenfield exploration being completed, and that province itself, the Paterson Province, has delivered 16 million ounces of gold and 3 million tonnes of copper from greenfield discoveries in just the last 6 years. So there could be another significant greenfield discovery that could come onto the radar as that work continues.
Very good. All right. Well, Roger, with that, where can our audience go and find more information on Antipa Minerals?
You can go to our website, antipaminerals.com.au, or the ASX.
Well, Roger, thank you so much for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. And we'll see you in Beaver Creek.
Thanks, Robert. Bye.
Thank you. And again, Antipa Minerals will be presenting at the upcoming Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek, happening September 13 through 16, 2022. For more information, please go to precioussummit.com.